Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back. Alright, it's Monday, so that means it's Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. And today we have an aloe mask, repairing, soothing, and hydrating from Canuck. I don't know. I probably butchered that. It says put it on, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove the mask and gently massage the face and wash with water. Okay, well, I probably won't wash it with water on camera, but you know, whatever. So let's get this mask on. Alright, we have that spread out, applied. Let's put our little egger mask on. So I was tagged by CxC Beauty in the Desert Island Staples tag. Alright, and there are 6 categories, which means you can choose 6 products and 1 bonus item. So you get 1 product for each category, and it can be general or it can be specific. The first one is a makeup item. What makeup item would I choose to take to a desert island with me? And I didn't choose this brand so much as a mascara. My thought process behind choosing a mascara is that it's the one thing that I'm not going to really be able to recreate in the wild. If I wanted, say, an eyeliner, I could make, you know, I could use coal, or something like that. You know, if I made a fire, I could use coal, the charcoal bits, to make eyeliner for like lips, or eyes I could use berries or something, you know. My thought process was that I couldn't recreate this in the wild, so I chose mascara. So the second thing was skincare. What skincare item would I bring? And again, this is not brand specific, although I do enjoy this brand, and that is sunscreen. And this is the Purito SPF 50 PA+++++. So it protects against UVA and UVB rays. And so UVA is what causes aging, what causes wrinkles, and UVB is what causes burning. So that's how I remember that. A is for aging and B is for burning. But I would take sunscreen because, yeah, desert island, I'm going to say sun's going to probably be pretty hot. Alright, and then body care. Now this is brand specific. This is a Spongel, and it is a sponge that has soap in it. And it's like, they're all scented and stuff. This one is Cherry Tonka Musk. It smells really good. I'm not really a cherry fan, but it's not really cherry specific. And it's just a sponge with smell good soap in it. And it's hard until you get it wet and use it a couple of times. But it's good at the scrubbing part. And I really like these. So that would be for my body care. So for hair care, I kind of cheated. I didn't use so much, or I didn't choose so much a like a shampoo or a conditioner or like anything like that. I chose rubber bands. These little rubber bands are what I usually put my hair up in. And they keep my hair out of my face. They're really stretchy. I would choose these. And I like this brand, the BB Poo. I don't know why that's the name, but it's whatever. Okay. And then number 5 is a fragrance. And I chose Katy Perry's Mad Potion. I have like really expensive perfumes and stuff. Like I got like Versace and Armani and stuff. But like they're kind of fragrances that I choose for like special occasions. I mean, I don't want to use like Armani every day. So like, you know, it seems like a waste of money to use something as expensive as Armani every single day. But this, you know, you can get this through Walmart. It's fairly inexpensive. But I don't know what the scent notes in it. I know there's like vanilla in there and stuff like. It's nice and sweet. But this is my favorite one that she makes, or that has her name on it. I'm sure she doesn't make it, but yeah, I really like this one. I used to like Fire and Ice, but I noticed that when I quit smoking, it smells sweaty to me. It kind of smells like BO a little bit. And now I'm wondering what the hell I smelled like when I put on perfume when I was a smoker. But, so yeah. For fragrance, I would choose Katy Perry's Mad Potion. And then the next category would be tools and brushes. I just chose comb. Just a basic comb. Wide tooth on one side and closer together on the other side. I need my hair to be out of my face in order to get it into these. Gotta have a comb. And I figured, I mean, I have this. I can use that in my eyebrows and my eyelashes if I want. I mean, really. I mean, honestly, who's putting on makeup in on a desert island? Nobody's gonna see me. I'm probably going to be smelly and dirty and all of that. I mean, it's a desert island. There's nobody else there. So quite honestly, none of this I would actually take with me. I'd probably end up really honestly taking like a water filter tration kind of system and something to light fires with. Because, I mean, you could do that stuff in the wild, but I don't want to put in the work. I mean, really, honestly, do you want to put in the work of rubbing two sticks together to make fire? I'm good. Just give me a lighter or some matches or something, and let me just light the fire that way. Like, let me be a little bit lazy. I know that if you're on a desert island, you're gonna have to work and stuff. Also, like a hatchet would be good. Something I could like hack down vines or you know, cut up wood with. Maybe an axe or something. Yeah, probably a little hatchet kind of thing is what I would take. Because, you know. I mean, I wouldn't really take any of this. But this is just for fun. So this is what we're doing. And then you get a bonus item. And now this one doesn't really have to do with beauty so much. I mean, I guess it does because when I take it, my skin gets better. I have keratosis pilaris, and I have extremely dry skin. And when I started taking the bovine adrenal tissue, my skin got better, and it became less bumpy, and there's less keratin plugs on my skin, and I can do that, and my whole arm doesn't flake off now. So, and when I stopped taking it, because I started taking a beef organ supplement for a month or two, and it had adrenal tissue in it, but apparently not enough, because my dry skin came right back and my keratosis pilaris got worse. I'm not a doctor, but I know what's working for me, so this. Plus, it gives me, it's not energy, but it kind of is. Like, I don't get wired or like I had caffeine, but it gives me like just enough energy to kind of get through the day. I have a hard time having enough energy to get through the day without taking a nap. And I'm sure it has to do with whatever autoimmune stuff is going on. But this helps a lot. And I don't know if that means that something's going on with my adrenal glands or adrenal system, because I'm not a doctor, but I know that it makes me feel better and it helps with what I want it to help with. So that's my list. I got mascara, I got sunscreen, I got a spongel, I got rubber bands and a comb, I got my bovine adrenal tissue, and my Katy Perry perfume. And that's what I'm taking with me. So I'm supposed to tag somebody. Fab, she tagged 3 people. And so I chose 3 people to tag. Now I'm going to put this list, which is the name of the tag and, you know, kind of like the guidelines and then what the categories are. I'm going to put that in the description box. And if you want to do it, please do it. And please tag me in it because I want to see everybody else's answers. But I'm going to tag Just Jessica, a fellow beauty ninja. Oh, these are all fellow beauty ninjas. I figured I'm going to spread the love through the beauty ninja community. So here we go. We got Just Jessica, Alice Lund Beauty and More, and Beauty and More with Renee, because, you know, I got to tag Renee. So those are my 3 people that I am going to tag. All right, I'm going to take this off. This feels really good on my face. And it doesn't burn like last week's did. Although I feel like I still look like I got trying to dress up in somebody else's face when I put those on. Ugh, just kind of rub this in everywhere. Just kind of. Sue does her elbows. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's a genius idea. Because not this elbow, but this elbow, I get this dry patch. This extremely dry patch. I call it my old man elbow. And I can put lotion on that spot until the cows come home. And I'm going to tell you what, nothing helps. So we're going to see if putting some of this stuff on helps a little bit. Just rub that in. Alright, that is it for my Beauty Ninja Mask Monday and my Desert Island Staples tag. So I look forward to seeing Jessica and Alice Lynn and Renee's answers. Yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.